Happy Friday, everyone. Today is October 11th. I'm looking at factorials. Did you know that the factorial of a number is the product of that number and all the numbers that are less than or equal to it that are non-negative and positive? It is. So, how do we find that? Well, here we have an algorithm that takes a number n, and we're going to count up to n using a for loop, starting from 1, and it's going to look like this to find our factorial. So first is 1 equals 1 times 2. So factorial is 2. So factorial equals 2 times 3. Next time we come to it, it's 6. So 6 times 4. And this time, 4 is equal to our n. So if we go to 5, we will stop. So 6 times 4 is 24. I is 5. We stop. Return 24. Okay, everyone, have a nice weekend.